Hi, my name is Bill Perkins. I started my career in animation at Walt Disney Animation Studios. I worked on Oliver and Company, Little Mermaid, Rescuers Down Under, Beauty and the Beast, Tangled and Frozen, Zootopia, and I'm an instructor at New Masters Academy. If you're interested in getting involved in animation, if you're designing the look of the show or working on that kind of area, set designer, background painter, or compositor, lighter, using digital tools today, go out and paint. You want to be able to depict time of day, change of lighting, different effects and textures and different aspects of what you're going to see in your daily life. That's what you want to bring to the film. When you're physically mixing color, you're mixing in a subtractive process using pigments. You actually understand what colors can do and how colors will relate to each other. Work on your fundamentals, work on your drawing skills, work on your painting skills. Don't get carried away with styles. Don't jump on the internet and start copying and mimicking all different styles. They won't define your abilities. Styles can always be picked up and changed. And when you get into the industry, you're going to want to change styles from one show to the next. Looking at portfolios, if an artist is delivering something that is all along one style, some styles are very difficult to tell whether the artist really has the ability to do the job or not. When Walt Disney, Graham, and other artists were developing a training program for the artists at Disney to make feature films and define a craft of animation, they were looking at masters. They were doing figure drawings. They were pulling in animals. They were doing animal drawings. Portfolio requirements to get into an animation studio like Disney, up all the way into the 70s, was all figure drawing. It was all classic drawings. It wasn't, can you draw this character? They discouraged that in their portfolios. If you understand traditional fine art, if you understand the mechanics of that and looking at the things that you will learn through New Masters, your figure drawing, your anatomy, all of those things, you're going to discover that rhythm, proportion, balance, all the things that you're looking to strive for in your fine art, in your figurative work, you're going to be applying in one way or another to any other art form. So it's so important to come from that foundation and bring that with you into the entertainment industry.